had muscle pain ruin your day? Whether it's a workout injury, joint pain, or a simple strain, pain relief sprays are the ultimate quick fix. Let's dive into why they're a must-have in your first aid kit. Fast and targeted relief. Unlike pills that take time to work, pain relief sprays act instantly. Just spray it on and the active ingredients go straight to work, right where you need them most. On-the-go convenience. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Whether at the gym, office, or on the move, pain relief sprays are the perfect travel companion. Reduces inflammation and swelling. Many pain relief sprays contain anti-inflammatory ingredients like menthol or diclofenac, helping reduce swelling and speeding up recovery. No mess, no grease. Hate greasy creams? Pain relief sprays dry instantly. No mess, no residue, just pure relief. Versatile pain relief from muscle aches to arthritis, sprains to post-workout soreness. These sprays handle it all. Versatile and effective for everyday pain relief. Safer alternative to pills. Skip the side effects of pills. Pain relief sprays work externally, avoiding stomach issues and digestion-related discomfort. Cooling and warming sensation. Experience a soothing cooling or warming sensation that not only relieves pain, but also boosts circulation for faster healing. Perfect for an active lifestyle, athletes love it. Quick relief means no unnecessary breaks, just spray and keep moving. Long-lasting relief. With long-lasting effects, you won't need constant reapplication. One spray keeps you going all day. Must have for every home. Every home, office, and travel bag needs one. Be prepared for pain anytime, anywhere. Say goodbye to pain, fast, easy, and effective. Get your pain relief spray today. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.